Rich foliage, eye-catching textures, and vivid tones make indoor plants perfect for home decor. They help improve air quality, adapt well to low or moderate light, and need little care, adding year-round freshness and refined beauty to interiors while creating a soothing natural vibe. Let's quickly explore the best and colorful Kalanchoe plant species. Kalanchoe rhombopilosa viridifolia is a rare and attractive succulent valued for its distinctive foliage rather than flowers. It features thick, rounded to rhomboid leaves covered with soft hairs, giving a velvety texture. The leaves are fresh green in this variety, often edged with subtle markings that enhance its ornamental appeal. Compact and slow-growing, it is well suited for indoor pots and succulent collections. This plant prefers bright, indirect light, well-draining soil, and minimal watering. Its unusual leaf shape and texture make it a standout choice for foliage enthusiasts. Kalanchoe leuciae auricula is a striking succulent prized for its bold, paddle-shaped foliage. The thick, rounded leaves form a compact rosette and develop dramatic red, pink, or copper margins when exposed to bright light, creating a vivid, sculptural appearance. Often called a flapjack type, it grows slowly and remains manageable indoors. This plant prefers bright indirect to direct sunlight, well-draining soil, and infrequent watering. Drought-tolerant and low maintenance, it is ideal for sunny windowsills and modern interiors. Its vibrant leaf coloration intensifies in cooler seasons, making it a standout foliage plant year-round. Red pancakes, Kalanchoe leuciae, is a dramatic succulent known for its large, flat, pancake-shaped leaves arranged in bold rosettes. The foliage turns intense red along the edges and surface when grown in bright light, especially during cooler seasons. Thick, fleshy leaves store water, making it highly drought-tolerant and easy to maintain. It thrives in bright sunlight, well-draining soil, and minimal watering. Ideal for indoor pots and sunny balconies, this plant adds strong color, texture, and architectural beauty to modern indoor spaces. Penviper plant, Kalanchoe marmorata, is a distinctive succulent admired for its bold, decorative foliage. It features large, oval to paddle-shaped leaves marked with unique purple-brown or dark maroon spots on a pale green background, giving it a marbled appearance. The thick, fleshy leaves store water, making the plant highly drought-tolerant and low maintenance. It grows upright and works well as a statement indoor foliage plant. This species prefers bright, indirect light to enhance leaf markings, well-draining soil, and occasional watering. With proper care, it may also produce clusters of star-shaped white flowers, adding extra ornamental value. Milky Widow's Thrill, Kalanchoe laxiflora, is a captivating succulent valued for its soft, powdery foliage and elegant form. The broad, fleshy leaves display a bluish-green to silvery tone, often with pink or red edges under bright light. It grows in loose rosettes and produces arching stems. Easy to maintain, it prefers bright indirect sunlight, well-draining soil, and infrequent watering. This drought-tolerant plant may also bloom with graceful, tubular flowers, making it a beautiful choice for indoor succulent displays. Kalanchoe humilis is an attractive succulent prized for its bold, ornamental foliage. The broad, flattened leaves display striking horizontal bands of purple, lavender, and silvery green, giving it a dramatic, patterned look. Compact and low-growing, it fits well in indoor pots and succulent arrangements. This plant prefers bright, indirect light to maintain vivid coloration, well-draining soil, and minimal watering. Drought-tolerant and low maintenance, it is ideal for beginners. Under favorable conditions, it may also produce small, tubular flowers, adding subtle charm to its decorative appeal. Dwarf velvet elephant ear, Kalanchoe biharensis, is a unique foliage succulent known for its large, triangular, velvety leaves. The thick leaves are covered with fine hairs, giving a soft, felt-like texture and a grey-green to silvery appearance. Compact in its dwarf form, it works well as an indoor statement plant. This species prefers bright, indirect light, well-draining soil, and infrequent watering. Extremely drought-tolerant and low maintenance, it suits warm, dry indoor conditions. Its architectural shape and textured foliage make it a standout choice for modern interiors. Kalanchoe elk antlers is a striking foliage succulent admired for its deeply lobed, antler-shaped leaves. The thick, grey-green foliage has a felted texture and a sculptural, branching form that gives the plant a bold, architectural presence. Compact and slow-growing, it is well suited for indoor pots and succulent displays. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light, well-draining soil, and infrequent watering. Drought-tolerant and easy to maintain, it adds unique texture and visual interest to modern interiors. Mother of Thousands, Kalanchoe lativirens, is a remarkable succulent known for its prolific propagation and striking foliage. The thick, fleshy green leaves produce tiny plantlets along their edges, which easily drop and grow into new plants. This makes it highly self-propagating and ideal for creating dense indoor displays. It prefers bright, indirect sunlight, well-draining soil, and minimal watering. Drought-tolerant and low maintenance, it is perfect for beginners. Its unique leaf growth and rapid multiplication make it a fascinating and decorative addition to any indoor succulent collection. Pink butterflies, Kalanchoe haughtonii, is a charming succulent renowned for its delicate, arching leaves that resemble fluttering butterflies. The thick, fleshy foliage is green with soft pink margins, which intensify under bright light. It grows upright and spreads slowly, making it suitable for indoor pots and succulent arrangements. This plant thrives in bright, indirect sunlight, well-draining soil, and minimal watering. Drought-tolerant and low maintenance, its graceful, colorful foliage adds a whimsical and elegant touch to indoor spaces year-round. Panda plant, Kalanchoe tomentosa, is a popular succulent prized for its soft, velvety foliage. The thick, grey-green leaves are covered in fine hairs and edged with brown spots, resembling a panda's markings. Compact and slow-growing, it is ideal for indoor pots and succulent arrangements. This low-maintenance plant thrives in bright, indirect light, well-draining soil, and minimal watering. Its unique texture and playful appearance make it a charming addition to any indoor collection. Donkey ears, Kalanchoe gastonis bonnieri, is a striking succulent known for its thick, elongated, and fuzzy leaves that resemble a donkey's ears. The green foliage often develops reddish-brown edges under bright light, adding ornamental appeal. Compact yet bold, it thrives in bright, indirect sunlight, well-draining soil, and minimal watering. Drought-tolerant and low maintenance, this plant makes a unique and eye-catching addition to indoor pots, succulent collections, or decorative arrangements. Copper spoons, Kalanchoe orgalis, is a striking succulent known for its thick, spoon-shaped leaves that display a unique coppery brown color with a velvety texture. The compact rosette form makes it ideal for indoor pots and succulent arrangements. This low-maintenance plant thrives in bright, indirect light, well-draining soil, and minimal watering. Drought-tolerant and slow-growing, copper spoons adds warmth, texture, and a touch of elegance to any indoor garden or modern interior, making it a favorite among succulent enthusiasts seeking a bold and decorative foliage plant. 6-angled Kalanchoe, Kalanchoe sexangularis, is an ornamental succulent distinguished by its angular, six-sided stems and fleshy green leaves. The thick leaves grow opposite along the prominent ridges, creating a striking geometric appearance. Compact and slow-growing, it thrives in bright, indirect light, well-draining soil, and minimal watering. Drought-tolerant and low maintenance, this plant is perfect for indoor pots and succulent arrangements. Its sculptural form and clean, architectural lines add texture and contemporary elegance to modern interiors, making it a standout choice for succulent enthusiasts seeking unique and visually appealing foliage. Snow White, Kalanchoe eriophylla, is an elegant succulent prized for its soft, silvery white foliage. The thick, fleshy leaves are covered with fine, woolly hairs, giving a velvety texture and a frosted appearance. Compact and slow-growing, it is ideal for indoor pots, succulent arrangements, or rock gardens. This drought-tolerant plant thrives in bright, indirect sunlight, well-draining soil, and minimal watering. Low maintenance yet visually striking, Snow White adds a cool, serene aesthetic to indoor spaces. Its unique color and texture make it a standout choice for succulent enthusiasts seeking ornamental foliage with a delicate, ethereal charm. Chocolate Soldiers, Kalanchoe tomentosa, is a charming succulent prized for its soft, velvety foliage and striking coloration. The thick, gray-green leaves are covered with fine hairs and tipped with rich chocolate-brown edges, giving the plant its unique name. Compact and slow-growing, it is perfect for indoor pots and succulent arrangements. This low-maintenance plant thrives in bright, indirect sunlight, well-draining soil, and minimal watering. Its playful texture and contrasting leaf tips make it a decorative addition to any indoor garden, bringing both elegance and whimsy to succulent collections or modern interior displays.